Hey, what's up, you guys? A lot of people don't think you can work from home. They don't think things are real. Well, I'm just here to show you real proof that this company I've been involved with here since about 2013, and it's been paying me every single Friday nonstop. As you can see, this is my account. That's me up there, right there at the top. Okay, so let's take a look at some of these payments, and these are paid every single Friday, and there has not been a Friday that this company has paid out that I haven't got paid something. Okay, these are weekly payments, you guys. You can make money online. It is actually very legit, and you can take care of your family, man. What kind of vacations could you take with this kind of money each week? Okay, between these 2 weeks here, that's about $5,000 or $6,000 in 2 weeks. I mean, you guys, come on now. It's common sense to, follow successful people, do what they do, and you'll be able to make the kind of money that they make. Now, I'm not rich or anything like that. I'm just a young entrepreneur that's trying to find my way. I got introduced to online marketing, and ever since then, it's like I can't work, for anyone else now. It's like you can make this kind of money literally, sitting outside of the beach with your laptop and the internet connection, and you can bring these kind of, payments each week. Okay, very legit work. We do have a rating with the Better Business Bureau. We are definitely a legit company, a legit business, and I would definitely, want to teach you guys what I know about making money online. I'm recording this from my cell phone, so if it looks a little jittery, my apologies, you guys. But, a lot of people are, going to school and things like that, and you're getting yourself in debt. This right here could definitely, help you take care of some of that debt while you're in school, or help you pay for some books, or, if you hate the job that you're at, this can be life-changing income for you. Okay, but just imagine if you were doing this part-time, you were just getting, even if you were getting numbers like this here, right? Just imagine if you were getting that on the side with your work check. You know what I mean? Payments like that would help you be able to save for a new trip, buy your kids, some new things that's coming out. A lot of stuff you can do with this, you guys. So, allow me to help you guys, make these kind of payments. All right, it's 965 here. $2,000 a week. A lot of these payments here, down here is where I start getting a lot of big weeks down here. You know what I mean? You see a couple thousand in a row, 2,000. You know what I mean? Just a couple thousand in a row, you guys. So, if you want to learn how to make this kind of money from home, contact me ASAP. Click the link in the description below. I will say this is only for US and Canada only. If you are outside of the US, this is not for you. It's only US and Canada only. Okay, and contact me with this. This opportunity cost me $40, you guys, and I've made all of this from a $40 investment. Okay, this is a very legit business. A lot of people say, "Oh, you have to pay to make money." It's not real. That is an absolutely lie. Absolute lie, you guys. I said absolutely. That's an absolute lie, you guys. I paid $40 about 4 years ago, and look at all the money that I've made since then. A $40 investment, you guys. So, it wouldn't take anything out of your pocket. It's all about taking risks. The successful people take risks, and that's why they're where they are now. So, take a risk with me, you guys. This is definitely the best risk you'll pretty much take online. This is a very legit business, and let me help you make money, okay, you guys? I'm Jeremy. If you need anything else, my information is in the description below. My website to get started. Go ahead and get started and contact me ASAP so I can help you guys make money. See you later.